Austin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, and I'm super excited to announce the first Brinkley we have on our lot, guys. This is a 2025 Brinkley Model Z 3515 on the model number, guys. This is an absolutely beautiful trailer. If you guys know anything about Brinkley, they are top notch. On the front side of this trailer, we have huge pass-through storage, 2 awnings, LED light strips underneath, solid steps to get in. If you look down below, Brinkley has super upgraded suspension. Come back here, guys. I'll show you what that kind of looks like. We'll go in back through this. Maybe come back here underneath, and then you can show up underneath. The suspension on this thing is just absolutely nuts. Down back, we have another storage compartment with a spot to bumper mount accessories. It does come with the backup camera on it. And check out this ladder. Just super durable. That thing's never going to come off. We have a second door here, guys. I'm not going to tell you what that second door is, too, because it's super cool. I'll show you when we get in. Frameless windows all around it. Beautifully done on the outside. Up here, we have our Furrion on-demand hot water heater. Tons more storage, guys. Just look at the slide outs. Look at the exterior of this thing. Absolutely gorgeous. Right there, you can see a little bit more of the suspension. Very well done. Now up front here, check out the gooseneck. It's got the spring in there. Really love to see it. And it's got lights on the front of it, guys. This thing looks absolutely beautiful at nighttime. Come on inside, guys. Let's check it out. Inside the door here, solid wood cabinetry throughout, but here's all your unit controls, of course. Just inside the door, here's a nice spot for a coffee nook. Backsplash there, very well done, with tons of storage drawers. There's all kinds of goodies that come with your Brinkley. And down below, some more storage. And up top, guess what? More storage. Huge pantry here, guys, and they even thought it out. They put little rubber bumpers here so you don't actually damage the fridge if it comes back. Tons of space in the pantry. And then just behind me, we have our Furrion residential refrigerator. Half freezer, half fridge. Now, we'll jet straight into the kitchen. This is a huge one-piece sink. Beautifully done faucet right here. If you guys come over on this side, I'll show you all the storage you have over here. Tons of space for your cutlery and stuff. Solid wood cabinetry on the drawers. Very well done. Soft close on everything in here, guys. Underneath, you could put a small garbage can. Maybe put a couple spices there. That'd be good for cooking. Solid surface countertops, guys, throughout this whole unit. Tons of space over here cooking. You do have some extra storage beside your Furrion residential microwave. 3-burner cooktop with a very nice size oven. Over here, a little bit more storage. That would be a good spot for spices as well, guys. And down below. And we got drawers galore. Nice. Love to see it. Now, this TV does come with the unit, and it's on a televator, so we can pop that puppy away if we want to just look at the window. There's a little storage spot up above. Probably good to put your remotes and stuff so you don't lose them. More storage up above. Great spot for family games. And before we get too much further, check out the couch. Love the blanket. Mirror behind that. You do have beautiful reading lights. Tons of storage up above. And something really cool about this. Oh, maybe if I can get it. There we go. Pops right up. Makes a little storage area or a little desk. Very nice. Oh, there we go. Thing's stronger than I am. Over here, theater seating spot. Toss down your phone. Charge that while you're sitting there. You do have heating chairs here and the power recline. Up top, more storage. And I forgot to mention, just like the newer Cedar Creeks and stuff, Brinkley's doing it the same with the blinds. Really nicely done. Over here, you have a table that converts into a desk and goes 4 different positions if you guys want to lock in on that. 2 chairs wrapped around with windows. And I'm going to save the best for last, so come on up front, guys. Into the bathroom. Porcelain toilet. Tons of space in here, guys. Spot for your towels, face cloths, and whatnot. And you also have your thermostat for your on-demand hot water. 180 here. Check it out. Solid service countertops in the bathroom as well. Tons of storage. And then the one-piece fiberglass shower, which has tons and tons of space in it. Extra headroom. Beautiful LED light. And could you imagine taking a shower with this shower head? I'd love to. All right, into the master. Beautiful. I love to see it. When they come with the upgraded mattress, it's super awesome. There is windows there for cross breeze ventilation, as well as some spots to charge your phone with the reading lights. Directly across from that, we have our TV, another window, insulated windows. I forgot to mention that. Sorry, guys. Beautiful dresser area. Tons of spot for your clothes and all that fun stuff there. And then maybe some little storage knickknacks, and we're prepped for a washer and dryer, guys. You could live in this thing if you wanted to. Brinkley will warranty you for it as well. All right, into the closet, and it is a closet indeed. Look at this. How cool is that? I'm not too short. There you go. Spot for your shoes. Tons of space in here if you guys need it and want it. You'll love to have it. Close that up. And we'll head down in the next room after this. Comes with the pillows and everything, guys. Really, really well done. Solid construction all throughout. All right, now my favorite part of this unit, where that second door leads to. Come right back here, guys. Another door here to close it off. And you have a whole mobile office. So if you're a person who works on the road, you got a whole space in here, computer chair. Maybe if you're a gaming person too, you can set this up as an awesome gaming room as well. Tons of storage that I can just reach all throughout the whole top side of this. And then a nice little, I'd say, office area, I guess. You could put office supplies there. And then if you got a dash really quick, boom, straight out the door, guys. Folks, I'm super excited to announce this is our first Brinkley. If you like this unit and you want to check it out for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11, and don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.